Bonjour, and welcome to your first step into the beautiful world of French. Today, we're diving into the French alphabet, how each letter is pronounced, and the little pronunciation secrets that beginners often miss. From nasal vowels to silent letters, and yes, that tricky French R. Heures. Let's start at the very beginning, the alphabet. Ready? Allez, on y va. The French alphabet has 26 letters, just like English. But the pronunciation? It's different. Let's go through each letter slowly. Repeat after me, or pause the video to practice. A. Like in father. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. And yes, the H is silent. E. Like in C. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. A sound from the throat. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Great job! Now that you know the letters, let's unlock the sounds that really make French unique. French is famous for nasal sounds. These are sounds where the air flows through your nose, not just your mouth. Here are the 4 key nasal vowels. Try them with me. En. Examples. Enfant. Chambre. Temps. Un. Examples. Pain. Matin. Plat. En. Examples. Non. Bonbon. Maison. Pain. Examples. Pain. Lundi. Parfum. Here is an important tip. If a vowel follows, like in année, the nasal sound disappears. French also has vowel combinations that create brand new sounds. Here are the most common ones. A. Examples. Mais. Peine. Vrai. O. Examples. Chaud. Bateau. O. Examples. Jour. rouge.
Oie. Examples. Moi. Oiseau. Examples. Peau. Cœur. Oui. Examples.
Nuit. Fruit. Ayons.
Examples.
Bien. Nation. Christian.
Keep listening and practicing. You'll get used to the flow of these. Now here's something very French. Many words end in a consonant that you don't pronounce. Let's look at a few examples. Chat. Don't say the T, just chat.
Grand.
The D is silent. Beaucoup. The P is silent. Vous. The S is silent. But wait, sometimes those silent letters aren't so silent, especially when the next word begins with a vowel. This is where liaison comes in. Liaison means linking. In French, a silent final consonant can be pronounced, but only when the next word starts with a vowel or a silent H. Examples. Les amis. The S becomes a Z sound. Vous avez. Mon ami. Petit enfant. Ils ont. 2 heures. You'll hear liaison often in careful or formal speech. In casual conversation, people may drop it. But as a learner, it's good to recognize and practice it.
Here are two of the hardest sounds in French. The letter U. Pronounced. U. Try these. Tu. Jus.
Lune. And the French are pronounced. Heures.
This comes from the throat. It's not like the English R. Try these.
Rue. Paris. Frère. Don't worry if it feels awkward. French children struggle with it too. It comes with time and practice. Bravo! You've just unlocked the essentials of French pronunciation. From letters to nasal sounds, from silent endings to liaisons, you've covered a lot. Now it's time to practice. Watch French videos, repeat what you hear, and keep speaking out loud. And if you found this helpful, leave a comment. even just
Bonjour.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Also, share with a friend who is also on a French journey.
À très bientôt.
See you soon.